It's the dog catcher. Oh, we're finished. We're finished, I told you. Didn't I tell you? Oh, no. But you wouldn't listen.
Will you please button up?
You keep this up, and I'll make you a junior dog catcher. How'd you like that, little buddy? Maybe even have a hat of your own, huh?
I'm no dog catcher. I'm the dog eliminator.
Oh, what I tell you? We're doomed.
Just do sick puppy routine number 4 and be ready to run.
No, not number 4 again. Oh, all right, here goes. Oh, I got the...
Oh, what's the matter, little puppy? Doesn't have an owie.
Just come in a tiny bit more.
Hey, little guy, where'd your friend go? Wait, fellas! I'm only trying to help here. Fellas! Fellas!
Charlie, didn't I tell you this neighborhood was trouble?
Hey, I got us out, didn't I?
Charles,
Hey, you also got us in, so don't forget that, big shot.
Itchy,
Yeah, if it was up to you, we'd starve, short legs.
Charles,
Oh, yeah? You and your big appetite.
oh, for heaven's sake, quiet!
Oh,
hiya, Annabelle.
And him. You both have an assignment.
The only good news about that would be if Mr. Whiny Wiener wasn't coming along. Who needs him?
What?
You don't want to be partners anymore?
You can say that again.
Very well. Itchy, you're relieved.
So long, Charlie. You'll be sorry.
Annabelle, you're finally getting the hang of this administration thing.
I'm glad you think so, because I'm your new associate. Earth. I always wondered what the attraction was.
I hope you remember to bring a miracle. We're gonna need it.
Got it right here.
Hurry up, get this mission over.
What on earth are they doing?
Lady, you've been gone a long time. They're chasing cats. It's a dog's duty.
Are you sure?
Trust me. Why, there's one now.